All right, I guess I figured I'd let you see me do it in real time. A few. So I'm doing the right side. I've got my jig set up on here. Got it set to the right. I just hold that angle, and then what I'm able to do is, match it. I get it kind of set right here, and then I'm able to just, this one doesn't have to be super sharp or super, this isn't super dull, so I'm just gonna do a few touch-ups. So it's just, I come in here, 1, 2, 3. That's good. And then one thing I do is go get a Sharpie and I'll mark this one that I just did. And that way I know when I come back around. So hold on, or actually what I'll do, let's get a piece of blue tape. Just set it over the top of it. All right, I'll just move to the next one and I'll literally just go, 1, 2, hold it at the angle, 3. That's sharp. Hold it at the angle, 1. Just match up 10-degree angle. There it is. Again, I'm not putting a lot of heavy pressure. I'm just making sure it gets sharp. I just usually prick my finger on the end of it, get sharp as there, and so there it is. I mean, just it just takes the thinking out of it, is what it does. And then just set it there. Look, it's matched the angle. The thing I like about this, one is it rests on it. I mean, it's just, I don't know, it's just easy. There you go. See. Here we go. I mean, you could probably leave this in your saw and do it. I like just doing it on this thing because I can just rest my arm. It's just the perfect, I just got a good setup. But the thing I like about this too is if I need to do this out on a job or in the field somewhere, it's an easy setup too, to sharpen versus setting up a thing like the Granberg. So, and I love Granberg stuff. Like, man, I have a Granberg mill. It is I wouldn't use any other thing. I have a lot of the Granberg's, what's it called? Equipment. I think they're the best chainsaw mill out there. I like this sharpening system better. There we go. Every time, just can line that up. Match the angle. There it is. Every time. Anyways, I'm not going to record myself doing much more of this, but hopefully you can see how it works. Make you some of these jigs at a 10-degree angle. Play with. That way you know the correct angle to go about it, and then you can play with kind of what pitch angle you want to do and do it by feel. And there you go. You can consistently sharpen your ripping chain, because I know that's very intimidating. It was very intimidating for me at first when I first started doing this, and yeah, hopefully it won't be for you now. So there you go.